Celestial blessings, my name is Helen Demetriou, and today I'm going to talk about how do I start my spiritual path? How do I see, hear, feel, know angels around me? How do I see spirit? How do I communicate with angels? And I'm going to give you very basic instructions because you only need basic instructions. I'll just tell you what the recipe is to begin your path. The first thing is meditation. Learn to meditate. Now people will say to me, I don't know how to meditate. Meditation is you sit in a chair, put your feet firmly on the ground, rest your hands on your lap, close your eyes, play some music if you like, burn some incense, and just allow yourself to begin relaxing. That's how you begin meditation. Of course there's more to it than that, but it's all about practice, isn't it? I'm just giving you the basic recipe of how to begin step by step to gain spiritual enlightenment. So meditation. The next thing is cleanse your chakras twice a day, morning and night. Now I have people saying to me, I'm not getting anywhere on my spiritual path. And I say to them, okay, are you meditating? No. Are you cleansing your chakras? No. Why not? Well, I don't have time. And I'm saying, well, you know what? I had 2 young children and I used to get up early in the morning and go to bed late at night just so that I could meditate and cleanse my chakras because I was involved in my own spiritual education and advancement. And if you want that, if this is what you want, then you have to put the work in. It's not going to come easy to you. You can't sit there and wait for it to happen. You have to work for your spiritual enlightenment. So, meditation, because it brings discipline of your thoughts. It brings relaxation, calmness. It helps to balance yourself out. Cleanse your chakras twice a day. Start a journal. Start writing down all the things that you thought that day. Write letters to the angels. If you feel that your moods are up and down, keep a record of that. Start studying what do the chakras mean. Focus on one chakras every day. Start on Monday with the root, start on Tuesday with the sacral, on Wednesday start with the solar plexus, and it like that, on and on and on until you learn what the chakras mean. Then you begin to understand. If there's one day you feel down, you begin to understand which of your chakras are blocked, congested, or overworked. And if you continue like that and you start listening to your body, listening to your feelings, you become more communicative with yourself and have a better relationship with yourself. Because that's what spiritual growth is. It's not just about listening to angels and having prophetic dreams. It's about your relationship with yourself. When your relationship with yourself gets better, so do your skills. So, I'm going to say it again. Meditation, cleanse your chakras day and night. Study about the chakras. Study about meditation. When you've got to that point, move on to guided meditations. Guided meditations to meet your spirit guide. Guided meditations to meet your child, yourself as a child, to do child work, child healing, inner child healing. So we get to that point and people will say, well, I don't know how to visualize. Okay, close your eyes. Okay, can you see the sky? No. Imagine a memory of a time that you looked at the sky. Can you see the sky? Yes, I can see the sky. There you go. Now, I want you to envision a red apple. Can you do that? No, not really. Okay, look up a photo of a red apple. Okay, I'm looking at a red apple. Now close your eyes and envision a red apple. Can you see a red apple? Yes, I can see the red apple. Well done. Now let's look at an orange. Can you close your eyes and see an orange? No, I'm just not getting it. Okay, pull a photo up and look at an orange. Or from memory, how you see a memory, imagine that you're seeing the time that you saw an orange. Oh, I can see the orange now. Well done. Can you see a yellow lemon? Yes, I can see it. Great. Can you see a green lime? Yes, I can see it. Well done. And then that's how you go on. This is how you train yourself to visualize, by first training with things that you pull from your memory. So that if I ask you to look for the color blue, you can look in your mind for a memory of blueberries, or again the blue sky. If I ask you to look for something for green, which is the heart chakra, close your eyes and think of green grass or a green lime, or a time that you was colouring with green, or a green umbrella, or anything that comes to your head as green. Everybody can visualize, because everybody can pluck memories, images from their memories and see it in their head. That's why people seem to get blocked, because they think they can't imagine something. But we have all these we're like the computer, where you have in your picture file thousands of pictures. You just need to go back into there and pull out something that is similar to what we want. So we're talking about the chakras. So red apple, orange for the sacral, lemon for the solar plexus, green for the heart, and etc, etc, etc. And that is how you begin to visualize. When you get hold of doing that, then we go on to meet your guardian angel. And there are some that say, for example, my meditations to meet somebody, many times you walk into a house. So when I do this one-to-one, I say to them, can you see a house? No, I want you to imagine a house that you saw one time. Can you see that house? Yes, I can see, because they've plucked it from the memory. That's all that visualization is. It's just taking an image from our memories. That is the first few steps to spiritual enlightenment. If you grasp that, you can go anywhere. It's all about meditation and chakras cleansing. Obviously, you branch off in the future, but in the beginning, those are the most important factors of beginning your journey to your spiritual education. So thank you for listening. Have a lovely day. I love you. Bye bye.